Okay, Mandy's going to demonstrate how to wrap a pack properly and what should be in it.
Sorry. So just refer to your cheat sheets. Each one tells you what pack it is with the corresponding color. So right now we're going to be doing the canine neuter pack, which is blue. So all of the tags on these instruments have a blue piece of tape on it. So on the bottom you just want to put all of your instruments neatly.
Now are they to be clamped closed or left open?
They should be left open to allow steam to get all the way through, so don't clamp them shut because then it doesn't allow the steam to go in between and it won't properly sterilize everything. It doesn't matter what order you put your instruments in as long as they're all there and neatly packed. On top you want 30 pieces of gauze for most packs.
30.
But your cheat sheet will tell you how many to put in, and then it'll also tell you how many drapes to put on top, so this one's going to have 4 of them. And then you always want to make sure you don't forget your indicator strip, so after it's sterilized this will turn black to let the doctors know that the inside of the pack is properly sterilized. So you're going to put that as close to the middle of the pack as possible. So you're going to require 2 drapes for everything except for a feline neuter pack. Since this is a canine neuter pack, we're going to use 2. So you're going to do this as tightly and neatly as possible. So start with the first corner, pull it over, and then you're going to use a 4-corner method. So you pull it over and back, then over and back again, leaving this triangle sticking out. This enables the doctor to just pull and pull it out so everything stays sterile inside. And then start with the one side, same method, so over, back, over and back, leave a tag out, over, back, over and back, tags out. When you get to the last side, you're going to pull it over nice and tight and stick it into here like an envelope, leaving a little tag sticking out like that.
Okay.
Then you're going to repeat this process with a second drape. It would help if I did that nicely. You want to avoid that for happening? Okay. So again, nice and tight, over, back, over and back. You have your little tab, each side. And then your last one, nice and tight, going to stick it into the envelope. Leave your tag out the top like that, and then you're going to use a piece of the autoclave tape. You're going to write what kind of pack it is, so this is a canine neuter pack, your initials, and today's date. Put it with the little tab that you just made, flip over the end of the tape so the doctor has something to grab onto. That's going to be right on top. Put it right over your little triangle tabby all the way through, and then it's ready to be packed into the autoclave. When you pack the autoclave, make sure that there's always space around each pack. You don't want to stick another pack directly in here pressing up against that canine neuter pack, because then there's not a lot of space for steam to get in and up and through everything, and it may not sterilize properly. Once you have this full, then you close it. Close the wheel tightly so that no steam can escape. Turn the autoclave on, the green button on the bottom, flick it up. You want to make sure it's on this cycle, second one over. And then you just hit start and you're good to go.